Hey guys, I want to show you a quick easy fix here. This is for the dual sugar cube speaker that you see right here. I noticed that sound was cutting out. I mean, it's a pretty obvious notice because it goes from being really loud to really quiet. And noticed that that was happening, so decided to tear this apart, found what the issue is, and I wanted to share this with you. After you take your shell off, take your screws out so that you can lift this up freely, and then you're going to use both fingers to pop those clips open on the side. Let me do that here since I don't have my normal camera mount. Give me 1 second. All right, once you do, this is what you get. There's your two speakers. There's raised contacts that you can see right there. And on the inside, where your two wires are soldered to, right there, are contact pads. These, for some reason, had a little bit of like white, powdery corrosion-ish on them, which kind of concerns me a little bit, but my assumption is that it stems from some of the aftermarket upgrades on this model. You see the heat shrink tubing and stuff like that, and the cellophane tape. All of that, if depending on how they did it, could give off chemicals that would actually cause that to be a problem. So I just use Q-tip, rubbing alcohol, rub those kind of gently, but not bad, and you can see the light reflect off of those better, and same with the contacts. Put it back together, and we'll go test it. Okay, all back together. Moment of truth here. If I can set this down properly. There we go. There you go. There's your fix.